Hey everyone, how is it going? It's Trading in Demand. I haven't made a video in a decent amount of time. That's only because I've been busy and I've been learning. What I've been learning is delta order flow with volume profile on this one's a 5-tick Renko footprint chart. You can see that. And this one's you can't see it. And the one on the left here is a PNF 20-point rotation chart with a composite. And over here, if I can get it over here, this is a virgin point of control. So basically it's the point of control of the days on this is what day is this? The 16th. We've never came back and touched this point of control, and a point of control is the highest amount of demand. The highest amount of volume traded at the certain price. So as you can see, if I zoom in up here, the highest part is right here and right here. And the whole premise of all this is that we usually come and we retest these virgin points of control. So that's basically how we play. And you can also use that as like demand zones. There's today I was looking for this, but we just never got it. We were so close, but never got it. Now we're gonna go. Do I have an ad? I had an ad. Let me just get this ad out of the way. Alright. But basically, that's all I've been learning. I've been doing a lot of research into order flow and volume profile. And yeah, enough about that. Let's go over the trades I took today. So, oh wait, I gotta pull it back up. That's why. So as you can see, it was, for me, it was personally more of a scalping day. Just because, look at this action. We were just up and down. Every time we go up, it just gets sold into. Every time we go down, it gets bought, and it just keeps doing that. We did have this trend line that I was watching all day. I don't play trend lines. I just use it as like a reference. That we kept projecting. We had a downtrend, and my biggest flaw today, my biggest lesson learned, is I was waiting for, let me pull this, we'll go over here, let me get us back, right here. Alright, let me get us back here. Alright, so as you can see, I was wanting 418.5, but as soon as we came into it, let me fix this. Alright, as soon as we came into the zone, we didn't touch the point of control at 418, but we did come down and touch this 2-hour demand, which should have been extra confirmation, but with me being me, I didn't do what I should have, and I should have just got in when we got in this zone. And my delta confirmation, it wasn't the best. As you can see, we had, what I look for is I want high negative for going long at least. I want high negative delta coming in, and then I want immediate wall, kind of, you can call it. I want immediate buyers to pop in, and that didn't really happen either. So this entry wasn't the best, I would say that much, but it's the entries I should have took. Not completely, but I could have took it. But basically, what I learned today is I should set my limit at these key levels right here, and how I get these key levels. Sorry, it's gonna be a lot of explanation in this video, because I haven't been with you guys I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I'm gonna go back to 10. Alright, you can see that we made an edge here on the volume profile, and this is where this is where volume tapers off. So when this volume tapers off, you can't see that. Alright, when this volume tapers off down here at this edge, that is where you can kind of see it probably. You can see a bunch of red on the volume profile, and this is showing me that sellers tried pushing it down, but buyers, they just got stuck and they couldn't get it down, so there's a bunch of selling going on. But with that being said, the confirmation to go long wasn't the best, and we didn't hit the... I've been noticing we've been doing this for a couple days now, since Friday. We didn't touch the virgin point of control, so I'm gonna guess we're gonna come back in a couple days, or maybe tomorrow, and we're gonna touch it. Maybe you can already see. Oh, wait, no, we're going crazy on the day, but I'm suspecting we're gonna come back down and touch this 4518.65 area, just because the virgin point of control, and it doesn't seem that strong this rally. It was a bunch of just, I wouldn't say it wasn't strong actually. It was okay. Just lower volume most of the time, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000 volume. That's not much when we have back here 10,000, 7,000, 5,000. You can't see that. But yeah. But my trades I took, let me pull this. This is the easiest way to show it. I only ended up, I'm 187. Let me pull this up here. 187. You guys can't see that. Gotta get better at this. 187.5. Making my account 50,194. I was up a lot more, but with me being at work when I try to trade sometimes, I accidentally got into a trade when I wasn't ready to, or when I wasn't even looking at my phone at work. So that hit me with a negative 11 points, which I'm not upset about because it taught me to turn my confirmations on, so whenever I click, it makes sure it confirms it while I'm at work. Oops. But yeah, it taught me that lesson. Hard lesson, but it was something that needed to be taught. So it all went away. So when we were at 9:30, 9:40, I'm gonna find it real fast. Alright. Right here. 9:40. I think I got in around right here. If this would stop. Oh wait, there we go. So I got in at 9:39. So right here. I got in at 4540. So right here at the top. And what I wanted was for us to come and just hit 4531. But this was also in this area 9:30. I think I got rid of the demand. There was demand in this area that I got rid of. And I only went short because we looked that we weren't doing the best. It looked like it was just going to go down. But because we were in demand zone when I went short, I just took a real fast 2-point scalp. Because you can tell it's looking sketchy. It's going up, it's going down, barely getting anywhere. Buyers are still jumping in. You guys see that? Yes, you guys see that. Buyers are still jumping in. There's no selling really until we come back here and we get the positive. We get the delta rushing to the zone. We get the neutral, so we go neutral where it's basing out a little bit. And as soon as we get that, we have 2 candles actually. We get decent selling, not heavy selling. But the lower we got, the more confirmation we got. People started jumping in, and we had more selling going on. Which this would have been a great trade if I didn't take my profit so early. But we were just in demand. If we weren't in demand, I would have been fine just taking that. But because we were in demand, it was more of I just wanted to get some points out. I got 2.5, I think, on that one, which isn't bad at all. It's just could have been better. And here, I think around 11:37, right here, I went long. Can you guys see? Yeah. Let me move this over for you guys. Over here. There we go. I went long at here. 4528. So around right here. 0.75. Right here. And my stop was at the bottom. This trade would eventually gave me some points, but because where did I get out at? I got out at 11:39. 11:39. I think I took profit around here. 4528. No, I guess not. Oh wait, 4530. Yeah, 4530.5. I took profit around this area, so it wasn't a great trade from here to here, but it was just getting a trade in, following my plan. I saw what I needed to see, so I took the trade, and it gave me a profit. At the end of the day, I was 2 out of 2, so can't be mad at that. But yeah, basically that's all. I ended with 187. I'm gonna try to get more consistent with these videos. I just how my job is, it's hard to. It's just kind of hard. Oh, let me just do that. But yeah, that's basically my day. After that, it was really just a bunch of sideways action. So you can see here, we didn't even make 520, which was my target. But we did come into demand, so you can't win them all. And this was a decent day. We formed demand middle of the day, came back, retouched it, and we came back up, made more demand, came back and touched it, followed the trend line, and then at the end of the day, we just rallied all the way, almost breaking this supply area where we've been sitting for a while. And so if I have to make any predictions, I would say I would really want us to see 4518.6566. I would really want us to come back here and test this before we make any moves up. But we might come back and test the volume area low of 4560 of the Friday's action. But if we get here, I feel like we might come and hit this day volume, 30-minute volume. 30-minute volume, point of control, virgin point of control, sorry. But yeah, that's basically my plan for the day, or for the week. I'll try making a video tomorrow, and then probably Friday also, because that's my only days off. I do trade when I'm at work, but I don't want to trade at work and record it, and then have to come home whenever I get off and make a video. It's just not worth it to me. But I will be trading all my I'll be recording all my sessions, and I'll be doing a live video. You can bring this here. There we go. Pull this here. I will be doing, so I do my commentaries of the day, and you can see I will be going to live stream my day trading, and we have a little chat here. And yeah, that's basically what we'll be doing. And I feel the recording of my live session, I feel it has helped me out a lot in my discipline. So I think it's something to stay. If anyone's interested, this is what my morning plan was. And we almost, so close, touched this 45.18. But yeah, didn't do it. It's okay. I do hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright? Alright.